In this episode of the 5 Best Pro, we'll cover the top 5 best stainless steel ice buckets that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Augie Stainless Steel Ice Bucket. Augie is one of the top-rated and top-selling ice buckets on the market. This stainless steel ice bucket has double-walled construction to prevent condensation and keep the ice frozen for longer. It has a large capacity of 3 liter, making it perfect for home and commercial use. This attractive ice bucket has side rings that make it easy and convenient to carry, even when it's full. The bucket is made of a thick stainless material that is durable, scratch-resistant and rust-resistant. Besides, a free pair of tongs also comes with this bucket. Finally, this bucket is available in 1 set and 2 set options. At number 4. Augie 7311 Ice Bucket. The Augie 7311 is a high-quality ice bucket which can keep your ice in good condition for hours. It features double wall construction to keep the ice cool and prevent the buildup of moisture on the exterior. This ice bucket can hold up 4 quarts of ice, which is enough for up to 2 people. It is constructed from high-quality stainless steel that is rust and stain resistant. This attractive bucket also has a transparent lid that allows easy view of how much ice is left. It also features a slip-resistant base that prevents the ice bucket from moving when scooping ice. At number 3. MKRSD Insulated Stainless Steel Ice Bucket. If you want a durable ice bucket that can keep your ice chilled for long, the MKRSD Insulated Stainless Steel Ice Bucket is a perfect choice for you. This ice bucket has a capacity of 2.8 liters, which makes it perfect for home and social gatherings use. It is a quality bucket and does not scratch or dent easily. It also has a lightweight design and supports a lot of weight compared to other buckets. Additionally, it is dishwasher, safe and easy to maintain. It has double wall construction to prevent the ice from melting. The bucket also features a durable handle for easy carrying. On top of that, it comes with its own tongs that assist you in picking ice from the bucket. It is rust resistant, making it perfect for outdoor activities. At number 2. Malmo Insulated Ice Bucket. If you are looking for the best ice bucket that can provide long cooling for a soft drink, beer, whiskey and cocktails, then you cannot go wrong with the Malmo Insulated Ice Bucket. The bucket is constructed of premium quality stainless steel that does not scratch or dent easily. It has a capacity of 4 liters, which makes it perfect for an intimate gathering and small parties. Furthermore, this bucket has a double wall construction to prevent your ice from melting. Also, the double wall construction prevents moisture from forming on the bottom of the bucket that can damage tables and floors. The Malmo ice bucket comes with tongs for putting ice into your drink. It can be used in places such as cafe, home, restaurant, barbecue, beach, bar, etc. Finally, at number 1. Craftware Polished Brass Ice Bucket. This ice bucket will keep your ice cold with the double-walled construction. The ice bucket features a polished brass with bail handle, bands and metal cover. The bucket's 3-quart size is perfect for any occasion. This ice bucket is great FPR, keeping its contents chilled and ready to drink. The sleek styling of this ice bucket will make it the perfect addition to any home bar. Keep it cool with this handy ice bucket by Craftware. Its double wall construction provides added insulation, keeping its contents chilled and ready to drink. The sleek styling of this ice bucket will make it the perfect addition to any home bar. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.